Okay, let's be ready to correct our daily language week 5. Make sure you have a marker or a pen to correct your mistakes. Click pause as you're doing that and then play when you're ready to go on. You might think that the sun is the planet, but it's not. How about we'll say is a planet, because there's not only one planet. Planet does not need to be capitalized because we're not talking about the name of a planet. And we're going to put a comma here before but, because you might think that the sun is a planet and it's not. Those both can be sentences by themselves. So when we combine them, we need to use a comma and but. The sun is a star that is more close. Instead of more close, we will say closer to Earth. Earth needs to be a capital E because it's the name of a planet than other stars. In the darkness, we add the suffix ness there. The other stars look like tiny dots of light. Because the sun is so close, it gives us a lot of light and heat. This one says underline the nouns. So remember, a noun is a person, place, or a thing. So the sun is a thing, the earth is a thing or a place, light, heat. Okay, and nouns name person, they name people, they name places, and they name things. So that's exactly what each of those have done. At school, we are learning about trees. So we're going to put a comma here because this is just a sentence beginner here. At school, we are learning. So you can either have we are, or you could also have our contraction, WE''RE, that stands for we are. Learning, the sound here is made with EAR, about trees. Trees are beautiful, but they also, instead of does, is going to be do many important, look how I spelled important, jobs. Okay, trees are beautiful. They also do many important jobs. Those both could be sentences by themselves. So that's why we combine this with a comma and a but. Complete the sentence. The leaves on a tree keep us cool in summer. Trees also give us very tasty fruit. I am taking piano lessons. Capital I. Taking, you need to drop the E before you add the ing. Number 2. Today I learned to play. So today is in the present. Played is a verb in the past because we add ed to a past tense verb. So we need to change that to play. Today I learned to play an easy song. We said this so many times last year. You use a if the next word starts with a consonant. You use an if the next word starts with a vowel. It's like an easy, right there. That is a good one to remember. My teacher taught me a song called Old MacDonald. The past tense of teach is taught. Even though we normally add an ed, sometimes there are irregular ones. We just have to memorize them. I was so proud of myself when I played it for the first time. Okay, we talked about pronouns last week as well. Subject pronouns are only used before the verb. Remember, the subject of a sentence is before the verb. Okay? Reflexive pronouns, they kind of like reflect back. So let's look. When I saw myself, okay, it's kind of like reflecting on the I. Herself reflects on she. Itself reflects on it. So that is what a reflexive pronoun is. The cat hurt itself when it fell out of the tree. So the reflexive pronouns, you have to use them together. So I couldn't say when I saw she in the mirror, because I goes with myself, she goes with herself, and it goes with itself. They have to be used together. My little sister was proud of herself when she got a star on her drawing. So in your sentences, make sure your pronoun pairs, or in your sentence, make sure your pronoun pair goes together. All right, I would like you to put the giant word wow on your paper so that I know that you listened and corrected with the video.